Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Brian. I'm back with another video. Let's see. Today, I ain't got nothing to do. I'm bored. This whole COVID-19, coronavirus, whatever you want to call it, sucks, man. I'm pretty sure y'all can relate. You can't do nothing. You can't go nowhere. Just in your house, work, come back. But whatever. I don't want to talk about it. What I do want to talk about is, like I said, I ain't got nothing to do, so I was like, let me make a video about me riding my dirt bike. So I got this dirt bike, and I just want to, ride it for a little bit here in the neighborhood, show you around, get some little footage, just randomly, So before I do that, I'm gonna show you my helmet because y'all gonna notice on the footage that's kind of messed up. It wasn't recording right. Like it wasn't getting the whole view, basically. But I'm gonna show y'all what's going on. It's because my helmet is not set up right. The mount is not on there right. But I'm gonna get it fixed. I already ordered a little part that I need for that mount. Once I get it, I'll mount it and I'll start making more videos that'll look way better. And I'm also gonna upgrade helmets because I don't like that.
Alright, guys, so this is my helmet. Check it out. It has little vents right here so you can get air. Hold on. Ah, damn. Oh, it was already open, but yeah. Shit. My bad. There it is. You need to put it right here so y'all can see. That's the helmet. That's the GoPro mount. And this, guys, is what I was talking about. This right here is what I was talking about. So y'all see this right here? So y'all gonna see on the video where you can't really see, like the whole view of the GoPro. You kind of see just like down, like if you're looking like this. Because what happened was this thing kept going down, so it wasn't recording everything. But there's a little mount that I made. I can't put a flat mount right here because my helmet is not flat. It has like this little thing right here, like a little curve, and the little 3M mount wouldn't work on it. And then right here I can't put it either because it's not flat. Check it out. What I did is I made a hole right here because I'm putting a bracket right here. I'm putting a bracket right there, so it looks shitty right now, but it's gonna work. Just waiting for it to get delivered. I had to make a little hole right here, but I mean it'll work. I just gotta basically get this thing to stay up, and that's an easy fix. But yeah, guys, we're gonna go for a ride, and y'all check it out. If y'all like the video, just comment and leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know. I'll keep riding and making more videos. And y'all need to subscribe to my video, remember. So let's get to riding.